Those first responders laid to rest as the death toll in the city of Houston rises. The city reporting 6 new deaths today to bring its total to 549. The city also reported 746 new cases today. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ron Trevino. So great to have you with us tonight. As we said, friends and families said goodbye to 2 first responders who lost their lives to COVID-19. Separate funeral services were held today for Houston firefighter Jerry Pacheco and Harris County Precinct 5 Deputy Constable Mark Brown, 2 local heroes honored for their service to family and community. Here's Anayeli Ruiz.
It was a solemn day for the Houston Fire Department and the Harris County Constable's Office, both departments mourning the loss of their brothers. The Houston Fire Department lost a 17-year veteran, Gerardo Pacheco, otherwise known as Jerry. Jerry spent 4 years in the Navy. He later became a firefighter and a paramedic for HFD. 50-year-old Jerry died in the hospital due to coronavirus complications.
If you knew Jerry and you met him on scene, he treated every single patient, every single run, every single time like family. Even if he was having a bad day, which I don't know that any of us ever saw Jerry have a bad day, you wouldn't know it.
But he wasn't just known for the many lives he saved. He was remembered for his big heart and laughter.
Your dad, Jerry, he was a good man. He was a great man who will be greatly missed.
Well done, good and faithful servant.
And the brothers in blue grieving the loss of 53-year-old Mark Brown. Brown served in law enforcement for 23 years. He spent his final 3 with the Harris County Constables in Precinct 5. He was hospitalized back in May and lost his battle against COVID this week.
Always warm and gregarious. Always willing to lend a hand.
But his wife wanted to make sure her husband didn't spend his last hours alone, so she was able to get him home to be with family.
When his time with us was coming to an end, his mom was able to hold his hand. Our kids surrounded him, and I held his head in my arms. And although every thought in my mind was screaming, "Please don't leave me," all I could do was tell him repeatedly how much I loved him.
A terrible loss for both departments, but Saturday morning they had their chance to honor them, remember them, and say one special farewell with one last ride for these incredible servicemen who lived and worked for their community. Anayeli Ruiz, KHOU 11 News.